Top 10 biggest animals in the world. Animals take many shapes and forms and come in a great diversity of sizes, from microscopic to the 30-meter-long blue whale. Whether you measure in terms of weight, height, or length, there is no denying some animals are huge in comparison to others in their class. The largest living animals in the world today are not land animals, because on land they must struggle against the forces of gravity to survive, effectively limiting their size. The creatures of the oceans can grow much larger, because the buoyancy of the water offers relief from gravity's effects, allowing them the freedom to grow to gigantic proportions. All species have a largest member. Here is the ranking of the biggest living beings that inhabit the planet. Would you like to know which ones they are? Number 1. Blue whale. This marine mammal can measure up to 98 feet long and weighs no less than 150 tons. One of the curiosities regarding the biggest animal in the world is that it feeds on one of the smallest organisms, krill. Although it's known as the blue whale, it can be other colors, such as gray. It has the ability to vocalize underwater, swims great distances during the year, and has one calf at a time. The adult blue whale is bigger than 3 prehistoric triceratopses and holds the record as the largest mammal on Earth. Other species of whales come somewhat close to it in size. The largest living land animal, however, is the African elephant. This mammal typically stands 10 to 13 feet tall and can weigh as much as 9 tons. Number 2. Fin whale. Its scientific name is Balaenoptera physalis, and it's also called finback whale or common rorqual. Although it's a bit smaller than the blue whale, it measures no less than 90 feet and weighs up to 70 tons. It's dark gray on top and has a paler underside. It doesn't only feed on krill, but also on small crustaceans, squid, and fish. This is an endangered species due to indiscriminate hunting. The fin whale is the second largest species of whale. It is found throughout the world's oceans. It gets its name from an easy-to-spot fin on its back, near its tail. Like all large whales, fin whales were hunted by commercial whalers, which greatly lowered their population. Whalers did not target them at first because they were fast and lived in open ocean habitats. But as whaling methods modernized with steam-powered ships and explosive harpoons, and whalers overhunted other species of whales they had used for oil, bone, and fat, whaling turned to fin whales, killing a huge number during the mid-1900 seconds to 725,000 in the southern hemisphere alone. Number 3. Giant squid. Scientists still don't agree whether there are more than one species of squid in the animal world. This animal that dwells in the ocean depths can reach 59 feet in length and weigh 606 pounds. However, on average, it measures 30 feet long and is still one of the biggest animals in the world. Number 4. Whale shark. The size of sharks is really amazing, no matter the species. Of all of them, the largest is the whale shark, or Rhynchodon typus, which lives in tropical areas. Just like the cetacean its name comes from, this huge fish feeds on krill, as well as algae, phytoplankton, and shellfish. The whale shark is a filter feeder. Number 5. White shark. Its scientific name is Carcharodon carcharis, and just like its relative, it inhabits warm waters but also can be found in temperate seas. It causes panic on beaches and is the largest predator that exists. It can measure up to 20 feet and weigh tons. Unlike most animal species, the females are larger than males. Number 6. Elephant. Leaving marine animals aside, the elephant is the largest land animal and lives in packs. It's 20 feet long and 11 feet high and weighs approximately 6 tons. Elephants eat about 440 pounds of food per day. Its long trunk allows it to reach treetops. The brain of this mammal weighs 11 pounds, which is why these animals have a good memory. Number 7. Giraffe. This is one of the largest land animals, mostly because of its height, 19 feet. It can weigh between 1653 pounds and 1.5 tons. Its brown spots allow this animal to blend in with the ecosystem. The tongue is dark in color and can measure nearly 3 feet long. It uses it to pull leaves from trees. Number 8. Anaconda. With a weight of 440 pounds and a length of nearly 26 feet, the anaconda occupies the 8th spot on the biggest animals in the world list. This giant snake inhabits the rivers of Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, and Brazil, more precisely in the Amazon. It feeds on birds, tapirs, alligators, and even deer. Number 9. Crocodile. This large reptile that inhabits marshy areas can measure up to 26 feet and weigh up to 1.5 tons. While it's not very agile on the ground, it's really fast in the water. In addition, it can spend hours completely immersed in water with only its eyes sticking out to observe and closely monitor their prey. It can eat from small animals to deer or horses. Number 10. Polar bear. The polar bear weighs about half a ton and measures 9 feet. It's a carnivore that eats fish, seals, Arctic foxes, and walruses. The polar bear hibernates during the winter and is a keen swimmer. Due to climate change and rising temperatures in the poles, it's classified as a vulnerable species. Which of these animals you like most? Share your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching.